Hello everyone, good evening. In previous video, we learned what is internet. The internet is nothing but it is international networks of a computer. That means the computer is connected around the world. It means so our computer is ready to get the information all around the world. And now in this video, we are going to learn what are the components we need or what are the components we require to get an internet connection to the computer. See, suppose we are having one computer and we need to get internet connection to our computer. We need some of the components. See, what are the components we need to get internet connection to our computer? See, suppose first we need one computer, then we need modem, then third one we need one router, or we are going to call it as we need one switch, and we need cables. See, these are the components we need to get internet connection to our computer. And also we need one of the service provider that we are going to call it as broadband. We are going to choose broadband for internet connection. Here some different type broadbands are available, like we are going to call it as service providers. See, service providers. See, who are they? That means from where we are getting internet facility or where we are getting the internet service. For them we are going to call it as service providers. Here some of the example for the service providers, that is BSNL, then Airtel, Jio. Like this, there are some different service providers are there. We are going to choose whatever the service we need. From there we are getting internet connection. See, we need some of the requirements here. Suppose we need one computer, then modem, then router and cables. The cables are the medium of communications. We want to connect one device into another device. Yes, the cables are very important. Then the modem is a device. We are going to call it as modulator and demodulator. Modulator and demodulator. This is a device. Here only both sending and receiving the signals. We are going to use modem to send and receive the signals over the telephone line. Send and receiving here. And finally, by using these components, we are going to get internet connection to our computers. Thank you.